Okay? Akhu so-and-so. Akhu so-and-so or fulan. Abu Tauba. For example, Dhu Malin. I wish I was that, right? Then you say, which is the possessor of money. Hamu Ka. Oh, the Hamuki. It has to be Hamuki, sorry. Hamuki. You're the woman's brother-in-law, not the man's brother-in-law. Hamuki. Okay? And then you have Fu. Fuka. Fu would mean your mouth. Fuka, your mouth. Okay? And this right here, when you do like this, that's calf. If you do like this, that's calf too without this right there. Okay? So that's all that is right there so you understand the difference between that and lamb. Does everybody understand that, or did I write too much? Let me hurry up because we're going to have to call this down and offer the salat in a few moments. It says, yeah, I got you. This other one is this. The alif and noon is very simple. It goes, anything that you make is called the alif ithnain. Anything that you make two, you consider it two, you call it alif ithnan or ithnain. Means, so you saw rajul. Rajulun is one man. If you saw rajulan, rajulan, so you made it two. It's two men. Okay? This alif here is in iwadan and a dhamma. It's in the place of dhamma. So it's niyabatan. It's in the place of dhamma. Okay? So that's what that alif means. So this means two men. Okay? This is what that alif stands for. So with the wow, it's only those 5 words. Akhu, Abu, Dhu, Hamu, and Fu. Now with the alif, it's anything that you make ithnain. It's anything that you make two of. It's called alif ithnain. So when you see a word, what does Allah say? Tabbat yada. The two hands. This alif here represents the two hands of Abi Lahab. Okay? If it was left alone, it would be yadani. But it says yada, because the noon drops out, Abi. Okay? The two hands of Abi Lahab. So that alif makes anything ithnain. And the last one is noon. Yaf'alani, yaf'alun. Anytime that you see these words like yaf'alani, yaf'alun, just to break it down, the noon, thubut to noon, the establishment of that noon in those statements means that this is in the raf'i case, that it is raf'un. Then you say taf'alani, taf'alina, taf'alun. In all these cases where you see a noon at the end, the noon represents the raf'un case. Not the alif here, not the wow, not the ya. What lets you know that it's raf'un is what they call the establishment of that noon in those action words, in those verbs. Do you understand? Whereas in this one, taf'alani, the alif lets you know it's ithnan. Okay?
Okay, so the alif is just letting you know that it's dual.
True, it's dual. It's in the raf'un, the noon. Here is thubut to noon, establishment of the noon. Here, this is a verb. This right here was a noun or a super noun. Rajulani, two men. You understand where I'm coming from? Aqulu, we can elaborate on this more. I'm just introducing the thought to you now. It may be a little bit confusing. In the next lesson, we'll expound upon it more. But now you know the 4 things. And I don't want to go too fast, but you have to start paying attention to these things. As we get into it, each one of these cases has its specifics to it. And it's not really that confusing. When you see it, you'll see a word, and you say, okay, it has the alif and the noon there. That means it's in a rafi. Why? What makes a difference? It'll make a difference as we get further into it and start understanding what the raf'un represents by being in that case. Okay? We'll get into that as we go further. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.